I've been trying both of these Suavina lip balms and I completely understand why they've been around for so long. The brand sent me both the strawberry and the Olea olive oil versions, and they're honestly the cutest little lip balms I've added to my collection. The compact round packaging reminds me of a little macaroon, which makes them easy to spot in my purse and fun to pull out all throughout the day. One thing I noticed right away is how smooth they apply. Both formulas glide on clear, leave a beautiful healthy looking shine, and feel moisturizing without becoming sticky or overly glossy. The strawberry version has a soft, subtle sweet scent that's really fresh and enjoyable without being overpowering. It's the kind of lip balm you find yourself reaching for because it makes the experience feel a little more fun. My personal favorite though is the Olea olive oil version. It has a light fruity scent with a soft olive oil note that feels a little more classic and comforting. It's become the one that permanently lives on my nightstand, which I have a lot that live on my nightstand because I love applying it before bed. Both formulas lasted surprisingly well for me. I wasn't constantly reapplying and my lips continued feeling comfortable long after application, which I always appreciate in an everyday lip balm. Another thing worth mentioning is the heritage behind the brand. Suavina has been creating lip care inspired by Spanish pharmacy traditions since 1880, and it's nice knowing you're using a product with such a long history of trusted everyday care. So if you're looking for an everyday lip balm that's comfortable, portable, I think these are wonderful options. Between the two, the olive oil version is my favorite, but honestly, both have earned a spot in my daily routine.